Rakuten and WooCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this review of Rakuten and WooCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrators. Links to the tools and resources mentioned are included in the description below for your convenience. Let's get straight into it. Rakuten, one of the largest global marketplaces, is an excellent platform for sourcing high-quality products for dropshipping. Combined with WooCommerce, it offers a flexible and scalable solution for building an e-commerce business. Marketplace integrators, such as ZCommerce and WP All Import, bridge the gap between Rakuten and WooCommerce, allowing you to streamline product imports, manage inventory, and automate order fulfillment directly from Rakuten suppliers. Key features of these integrators include seamless synchronization of product details, pricing, and stock levels. They also provide advanced filtering options to help you choose the right products for your niche. With automated order processing, you can ensure a smooth customer experience while saving time on manual tasks. Some tools even offer multi-channel capabilities, enabling you to integrate Rakuten with other marketplaces alongside WooCommerce. Who is this integration best suited for? Rakuten and WooCommerce integration is ideal for established entrepreneurs who value product quality and want to target specific markets where Rakuten has a strong presence, such as Japan and Europe. WooCommerce, being an open-source platform, allows for extensive customization, making it a great choice for those who want full control over their store's design and functionality. Now, the strengths. By leveraging Rakuten's supplier network, you gain access to a wide variety of premium products and a trusted brand reputation. When combined with WooCommerce, you can create a unique shopping experience tailored to your audience. The integrators simplify complex tasks, making inventory and order management more efficient, and WooCommerce's low operating costs keep your budget under control. However, there are weaknesses to consider. Rakuten's supplier network is more limited compared to platforms like AliExpress, which means fewer options for testing new products or targeting diverse niches. Additionally, some integration tools can be costly or require technical expertise to set up and maintain. Long shipping times for international orders may also impact customer satisfaction. In conclusion, integrating Rakuten with WooCommerce is a solid choice for dropshippers focusing on quality and targeting specific regions. With the right tools, you can build a professional, scalable business. Check the description for links to the recommended integrators and get started today.